All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about string concatenation. So string concatenation, to concatenate or combine two strings, you can use the plus operator. So with that, let's jump into our strings notebook and take a look at this. All right, so we're in our strings notebook. So the very first thing I want you to do is we're going to merge variable A with variable B into variable C. So let's do A equals hello, and then B will equal Python, and C will equal A plus B. And then we're going to print C. So it should say hello Python. Yep. Now what we can do is we can add a space and then run that, and it will say hello Python. Okay. So that's how you merge variable A with B into variable C. Okay, so that's one way to do it. And that's called string concatenation. To concatenate or combine two strings, you can use the plus operator, okay, so that they'll work together. All right. To add a space between them, add the quotes. Okay, so here's another way to do that. Now I showed you a shortcut, but if we do A equals hello, and just leave it that way, and then B equals Python, and then C equals A plus space, and then double quotes with a space, and then plus B, and then I print C, we're going to get the same result. So we'll do print C, and we'll get hello Python with a space. Beautiful. There you go. So that's how you concatenate strings, and that's how you create space between variables and strings. Okay? So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.